A shooting at an LGBT nightclub in Orlando has resulted in a mass casualty situation, police have confirmed, adding that the attacker has been killed and controlled explosion has been carried out at the venue. Shots were fired at the Pulse Club, an LGBT nightclub in the city, in the early hours of Sunday. Staff at the venue posted on Facebook, "Everyone get out of Pulse and keep running," and there were quickly reports on social media of an ongoing attack. Orlando police said the shooting had resulted in mass casualties and urged people to stay away from the area. Local unconfirmed reports suggested as many as 20 people could have been injured in the attack, and video footage shared on social media showed a high police presence around the club. Authorities said a controlled explosion had taken place inside the club, undertaken by law enforcement operatives, and urged media to avoid reporting inaccuracies. They later confirmed the attacker had been killed in